Texas, a city council meeting, and suddenly the spotlight turns on Indians. This is not a courtroom, not a police press conference, not even a verified investigation report. It is a microphone, a speech, and a viral video. And now a fresh political storm is brewing in Fresco and Plano. It all began when a woman named Kelly stood up at Fresco City Council meeting. It was calm, confident, in fact claiming that she had inside knowledge. She said she had worked in property management. She said she had a Texas real estate license. And then she made an explosive allegation, and the target? Indian Americans. That's right, according to her speech, some Indian tenants, they were allegedly manipulating the apartment leases. In fact, she claimed that apartments were being rented, but somebody else moved in. Leaseholders would return to India. Keys were picked up by friends, and subleasing networks, they were quietly expanding. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that is a serious accusation. No court ruling, no official police statement presented in the meeting, but the words, they spread like wildfire online. The video didn't stay in that council room. A right-wing influencer named Kyle Champbell shared it, and within hours, it was everywhere. Well, the narrative, it quickly shifted from allegation to Indians running the scam, and that's when the things got louder and uglier. Kelly also claimed that Indians were moving to Texas for tax benefits, that fake tech companies were hiring H-1B workers, that multiple apartments were being leased at once, that grocery stores and housings, they were being arranged in bulk. She alleged that this was pushing out the locals. She even suggested that police had to step in at some point. But here's the question. Where is the document evidence? Where are the court cases? Where are the official reports, Ms. Kelly? Because allegations are not verdict. Texas, specifically cities like Fresco and Plano, they have seen rapid growth in its Indian American population over the past decade. Many are tech workers, many are engineers, entrepreneurs, small business owners. These are legal immigrants. Many on H-1B visa, many are permanent residents, many are the US citizens. Yet online, the narrative is shifting from skilled worker to housing scammers. And this is happening in a political climate where immigration is already a flashpoint issue. The H-1B visa debate already heated. Now housing is being added to that fire. But here's the bigger concern. When one speech, one viral clip turns into collective blame, well, it doesn't just question individuals, it questions an entire community. Is there housing pressure in Texas? Yes, there is. Rising rent, limited supply, post-pandemic migration boom. But is there any proven large-scale fraud targeting one community? That requires evidence. That requires investigation. That requires due process, not viral outrage. Because here's the danger. When economic anxiety meets identity politics, facts become optional and communities become targets. Today it is housing. Tomorrow, what? Jobs? Schools? Neighborhoods? Well, the Indian American community in Texas is one of the fastest growing and highest earning immigrant group. They pay taxes, they buy the house, they open businesses, they create the jobs, and in times of economic stress, immigrants often become the easiest headline.